So I am going to install Windows 11 Pro in this Lenovo ideapad Slim 3 model. First of all, we have a bootable device, the bootable pen drive, which has Windows 11 Pro OS. So here is my pen drive showing. I am going to press enter. So it shows like this. It is i5 13th Gen H processor, and it has 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD. So I will show you the whole process to install Windows 11 Pro. You can install it in any laptop. So here we go. Sometimes the mouse will not appear, so we have to press tab to select the options, because it have no drivers. So I will select Windows 11 Pro here and custom install and directly press enter. So my Windows is being installed, like it will go up to 100%. For that time I will pause this video. So this process is complete. Now these two are remaining. So it has also been completed just now. Now my PC will be restarted. So this window will appear in our screen. So I am doing pause in middle of this video. So after the installation is complete, we'll get this type of interface, and simply we will select this option, I don't have internet, and I will place my laptop's username as Lenovo. Lenovo, and I don't want to put the password in my laptop. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes. So now our Windows is installed. Now we don't have the driver of mouse trackpad. So in this case we need an external mouse and some driver. Let me connect my portable SSD here. So I am going to install the driver which is required for mouse. So in local disk D I have Lenovo laptop drivers for Slim 3. This is Slim 3. I will first copy and paste the drivers, and we will also install Microsoft Office package and nothing else. Okay, let me close this window. So I have Slim 3 drivers in here, so let me run all of this. Yes. Now mouse driver has finally come. We are searching for Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi driver has also come, but sound driver hasn't come right now. We will first. Okay, now the sound driver has come already.